Here with another satisfied fan
Yes, very, very satisfied.
after the Reggae Girls game. Speak to us about, evaluate the girls' performance today first.
Well, guess what? It went beyond my expectation.
Yeah.
The movement of the ball. I'm not one who really used to love the girls' game still in the football. You understand me? But to tell you the truth, it's impressive. Right? And I know that the first team that went on, the movement of the players, them show me say, boy, them understand it. Right? The touches and so on. I think we get 7 chances in the first half. Right? I just to put them away.
Which Jamaican player would you say is your standout player today?
Well, I'm a curry favor because the news of it about Bunny, and I was watching Bunny all the time. Every time she touched the ball, I say, wow. So she was the one outstanding for me,
All right. What do you think the Reggae Girls could have improved upon today?
As I said, just finishing because they had 8 chances in the game and they got 1 out of 8. Normally, I would want out of every 3 you can get 1. That's how I think it is.
And how you did feel at the 92nd minute when the final
Excited,
score?
man. That one exciting for me, you know what I mean?
And what do you think the girls can take from this game going forward into Sunday and into the World Cup?
Well, remember, these are practice games, right? So them also have to be careful. Because, and them get injured, terrible injuries before World Cup time and stuff, So, whilst that being said, right, we would just keep passing the ball quicker. That's one of the things, because I saw 2 speedy players on the Paraguayan team that reached to them quickly. Then just need to move the ball a little bit quicker. That's it.
And lastly, one message that you'd send to the Reggae Girls. Looking at the camera and tell them.
Yeah, Reggae Girls, go and win the World Cup for winner.
Simple that.
Simple that.
All right.